that a bug on my? You fly into that light bulb, all I'm saying is you dead. Hi, so in today's video I am doing a wig review slash hair review, whatever you want to call it, but this is virgin hair. I mean, it's a wig review, but it's virgin hair. Let's go ahead and get into the details, the company, where she's from, where's, you know, what's happening, what's popping. So this is a wig from UGlam. They hit me up, they wanted to send me some hair. I let them know that I was interested in trying some blonde hair because I wanted to do some color, you know, and I did blue. Anyway, let me just go ahead and get into the details of the wig right quickly. First I want to talk about like the packaging and everything because I really liked it. So this was the packaging for the wig. You can see it right here. It's just a black box that says UGlam hair product on it. They've got the website and their social media information right here. I don't really know if you can see that well. And the wig came in like a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag, and it had like a net over it, I believe, and it was like stuffed. And yeah, so this is a 14-inch wig. Yeah, it also had this card in it right here. It's just like a business card, and it says UGlam, and it has their website on it, which is www.uglamwig.com. It has their email, their number, or their WhatsApp or whatever. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, all at UGlamWig / sexy formula. Oh, okay, I see. So they used to be called Sexy Formula, and now they're called UGlam. Okay, UGlam with the upgrade. There's also a few coupons on the back, and they have some hair care tips on the inside as well, and how to install the wig. So this was a lace front wig. It was not full lace, it was a lace front, and it also had lace at the nape of neck. Also, it has, yeah, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. So there's 2 on each side. There's 1 in like the center, and then of course the one on the back, and it has adjustable straps as well. So the construction of the wig was really good. I love the wig. The wig is, it's made very well. So, and it's like a bob styled wig, so it is pre-cut. I didn't do any cutting. This, you know, all of this here, but I did cut the bangs because I just thought that was really cute. As I was blow drying the hair just kind of fell in my face a little bit, and it was just like, you know, a light bulb went off. I was like, okay, this wig would be really cute with bangs, so I gave it bangs. I didn't give it like a super thick bangs, but I was feeling like the thin bang look. I thought it was really cute. Let's go ahead and talk about the process of how I got the hair to this color. It was really nothing that crazy considering the hair was already a 613. I didn't really have to go through much of a struggle. I did record the process though, so I'll go ahead and start playing those clips so you guys can see. I first got the hair, or you know, I took, after the wig was out of the pack and everything, I was just kind of playing around with the hair just to, you know, see how it felt. It was very soft, it felt very full, the ends were very full, it wasn't thin at all, like whatsoever. It felt very nice. I'm not exactly sure what the density of this wig is. If I do find that out though, I will put it in the description down below. So yeah, but girl, I got it. I was like, okay. And I seen that they pre-cut it, and I was really excited about that because it kind of gives a style to the hair. It's less work for you to do, and it just looks really good. Also, it is a middle part wig. It does come as a middle part wig. However, it is a lace front, so I do believe that if you know, you put the time and effort into it, you could switch it over to look however you want it to look. And yeah, I used the Adore color Sky Blue, which is $196. Yeah, I used about 2 bottles of those, and then I mixed it with some Tresemme conditioner. It was the anti-breakage one, not for any specific reason. That's just the one that I happen to use. But yeah, I only put, you know, just a bit in there, not too much, not to, you know, dilute it too much. The color that I have now, I mean, it did turn out a little bit different than how I originally wanted to turn out, but you know, I ain't mad at it because, you know, I always am a fan of, you know, blue on myself. I think it's pretty cute. I think it's one of my power colors when it comes to like hair. Blue and orange, those are like my favorite colors to wear as far as hair goes. So yeah, I wasn't really, you know, there was no complaints for me. However, I did want like a pastel blue. That's fine, it's fine. So as I was dyeing the hair, I wanted to pay attention to the roots first because I wanted the roots to have a little bit more of like a deeper color than the rest of the hair. So I paid attention to the roots on the front of the hair at first, and then I went ahead and did the rest of the like front area, and then I did the back last. just because I don't too much mind if the bag is sort of lighter in the sense, but I definitely did make sure that I kind of tried to time how I did it. But the bottle says 15 minutes, so for the most part I sort of did 15 minutes, but honestly it was just sort of like, let me finish cleaning up the area, and then I went ahead and washed the hair out with some Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, which those parts I did not record just because it's really boring to watch. I don't think it's that exciting washing hair. I washed it with the shampoo once and the conditioner once, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I recorded how the hair looked after that process, and then I started to blow dry it. I don't think I recorded that either, just because, you know, it's just, you were just blow drying it, it's fine. And then I recorded it when I first finished my makeup and I put it on, and cutting a little bit of the bang, but I did go back in after I decided to, people are still doing fireworks. It is past the 4th look, okay? Anyway, after I decided to finish styling the hair, which again I didn't do much, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as like the styling and stuff goes and how I got it to this point. Literally I didn't do anything too crazy as far as like dyeing the hair goes. I recorded it for the most part, but my camera stopped recording like after like 25 minutes or something. So this is pretty much how the color turned out. There are some lighter parts and some more vibrant parts, but I really like that. You'll see like whenever I do like synthetic wig reviews, especially something from like Missouri, Hollywood, or, you know, Sister, I kind of like the sort of depth that the sort of like darker hairs and the lighter hairs gives. I feel like it just makes the hair look really good, slightly professional looking. You know, I'm not a professional, but I mean, she cute, so who's really mad? What if, girl, what if she was longer? Like, this would be like a whole look. But I really like it short too. I think it'd be bump long, but I'm also feeling the short look to it too. I feel like, especially since it's hot outside, I don't nobody want a long hair like that all the time. So, you know, it's a good wig for that also. Girl, I'm just feeling everything about this. Like, I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any questions, just make sure you comment down below. I got you. I will hit you back as fast as I can. And yeah, again, check out UGlam wigs, UGlam hair, whatever, their website and everything will be down below. Follow their Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.